Man, do I got a surprise to show you guys. I'm sure you guys already know what this is. Before I reveal to you guys the new mufflers for the car, remember how I said I was going to change my mufflers in about a week or two? Well, I'm actually going to change them today. So right now I currently have Borla attacks on the car. I have American Racing long tube headers with American Racing X pipe and Borla attacks. I do like the Borla attacks, but this exhaust right here, this pair of mufflers right here is going to make it sound 10 times better. And honestly, it's probably gonna be a little deeper too. Anyways, I'm just getting right into it. These right here are Corsa tips. These are Corsa polished tips. And yes, those right there are Corsa Extreme mufflers. Now you guys are probably wondering, Nico, they don't make Corsa Extremes for 13 to 14 Shelby GT500. Yes, of course they do not. They only make Corsa Sports. And if you have Corsa Sports, that's kind of lame because that is the quiet version of Corsa Extreme. So, I originally had no intentions of swapping my mufflers. I actually really like the Borla attacks. I stumbled across those mufflers right there from a 2018 Mustang for $200. Yep. $200, and of course I went to go get them. Pretty much I'm gonna have to get these welded on because they don't bolt right up, so they're completely different. I'm pretty sure homie got a cut right here, cut right there, and just have it welded on. So this is gonna be a custom exhaust, I guess, custom welded on muffler. And you don't really see too many Shelbys have Corsa Extremes on there because they don't really make them for the car, so you gotta make it work. So this is what we're gonna do today, guys. We're going to put Corsa Extremes on my Shelby GT500, and it's going to sound amazing. So we're going to hear the very last cold start with the Borla attacks. I know most of you guys might be kind of upset because it sounds so good, but trust me, the Corsa Extremes are gonna sound so much better. Is because I found an amazing deal on these Extremes and I just jumped right on it. So, oh yeah, and also I got polished tips because I really like the polished look instead. I know most of you probably wanted me to get black tips, but I honestly think, I don't know, I feel like polished tips match my welds, and I don't know, I got a good scheme going on, I guess, because black would just like pop out and they would just like, I don't know, because if you kind of see, well, first off, polished tips are gonna match the welds, but the black tips would like match everything else right here. But then we got this emblem right here. I don't know, it was a very hard decision to pick between polished tips and black tips, but I went with polished. I don't know, I really like the polished look. And a big reason why I also changed to the Corsa Extremes, because the tips look 10 times better than the Borla tips. The Borlas, they kind of look funny, I'm not gonna lie. It's just a straight circle. Jeez. They just look so much better. Y'all probably can barely hear me. Got the boy tail coming with. Good morning.
Good morning.
We bright and early. We up and early. Last time here in the Borlas. About to pull up to the muffler shop. It's like 2 minutes down the road. Don't get it twisted, man. I love these Borlas, but people really think that they sound better than Corsa. I mean, maybe the sports, but not the extremes.
It was for well, almost same car, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
It's just like it just a little the pipes
The
are
pipes
angled
are-
differently. Yeah.
Yeah, let me see. Take
Okay.
this car out, lift it up, and see how this.
For sure, for sure.
Huh?
We made it.
Yeah.
It's always sketchy doing shit like that. Smoke. Up she goes. These Borlas are no more. Hey, I can finally have them like not hanging so weird, and you can finally stop melting right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Those are gonna look nasty, bro. Is it? Hell yeah. They look good. Okay. For sure.
It's gonna take me a little while because it's a lot of.
That's fine.
Fine.
No problem.
This is the one you got from. I don't know where you go.
Colorado?
Yeah.
Yes. This is the one. This is the one.
We saw a video.
Thank
You
you.
burning tires. Your face was like. Scared.
Yeah. Well, cool, guys. It can be done. That's it. I'm bored. Look at how big they are. Oh my gosh. They're massive. Oh shit. Awesome. Don't need none of that. So much, but yes, perfect.
But you won't be able to put another one like that.
I understand.
You have to.
I'm gonna stick with this exhaust. This is it. Appreciate it, man. We'll be right back. Cool. Perfect. That's perfect. They're about to get ran over. Definitely about to get ran over. When you find random taco trucks, you take advantage. Well, when you find a taco truck while you're waiting for your Shelby to get Corsa Extremes on, you take advantage. Oh my gosh, those tips look amazing. Oh my gosh. Bro, those tips look so dope. Oh yeah, you can already tell. The tip difference. Can you see the difference in the tips?
Yes.
They look better. Corsas look better, huh?
Yeah.
Because they're more like the top is like pointing and like these are just round. So I don't know. I feel like those have more style. And that's straight.
Those are different, huh?
Yeah.
Tips,
Of course, of course. All right, boys. One side is complete. It's looking very good. About to take this side off now. No more Borlas. Sorry, Borla. It was a good ride, man. It was a good ride, but oh my gosh, those look so good. All right, boys. Here we go. There it is. Oh my god. That's unreal. Oh my gosh.
3 to 3.5 RPM.
Oh my gosh.
Not even 4 or 5.
Oh my, I hope I don't get in trouble. Oh my,
amazing.
that is amazing. Well, I hope you guys aren't mad anymore. At first, I'm pretty sure they were like, you're gonna switch Borlas to Corsas? Well, that's why. Again, guys, custom Corsa Extremes. You can't get Corsa Extremes for your Shelby. You have to get them from like just a regular Stang and custom weld them and just make them work. I'm about to pull the car out, guys. My camera is about to die, so if it dies in the middle of this, I'm so sorry. Is it good to turn on?
Yeah.
Oh my god. This one?
Whenever you get like in the house, I'll let you know.
Okay.
You're gonna have to.
Guys, this sounds amazing. Oh my gosh. Even in cabin, are you? I'm about to give it some revs till the homies get here. Yo. Yo, that sounds fucking dope. Yo, I'm very happy. Not just with the idle, but those revs.